Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on insurance with Geico, detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on insurance with Geico, start by visiting the official Geico website. Look for the Get a Quote button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the quote process. Enter your zip code to get localized rates. Choose the type of insurance you need, such as auto, home, or renters. Fill in the required personal information accurately. Provide details about your vehicle if you're applying for auto insurance. Include information about your driving history, including any accidents or violations. Review the coverage options presented to you. Consider adjusting your coverage levels to find a balance between protection and affordability. Explore available discounts that Geico offers. Look for discounts based on your driving records, military service, or bundling multiple policies. If applicable, enter any discount codes you may have. Complete the final quote review to see your potential savings. Make sure to compare the quote with your current insurance provider. If you're satisfied, proceed to purchase your policy online. Consider reviewing your policy annually to ensure you're still getting the best rate. Keep track of how your driving habits may change over time, impacting future savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.